What if I told you that AI could turn you into a millionaire in the next few years? No, this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. And if you don't act fast, you'll be left behind while others make their fortune. Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry. From content creation to investing, AI is automating tasks, making businesses more efficient, and opening up money-making opportunities like never before. But the real question is, how can you take advantage of AI to build wealth? 5 ways AI can make you a millionaire in 2025. Number 1. AI-powered YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face or even record your voice. AI tools like ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and CapCut can create full videos for you. Many faceless YouTube channels are making over $10,000 per month just by using AI. Example: channels like Future Tech and AI Business are making thousands per day. Number 2. AI-powered stock market and crypto trading. AI-driven bots are outperforming human traders. Platforms like CryptoHopper and Trade Ideas use AI to analyze markets and execute trades in real time. If you leverage these, you could generate passive income without actively trading. Number 3. AI content writing and blogging, passive income. Companies and businesses need AI-generated content. With tools like Jasper AI and WriteSonic, you can sell blog posts, create AI-generated ebooks, or start an SEO-optimized niche blog that earns from ads and affiliate marketing. Example: some AI bloggers earn $5,000 per month just by selling AI-written content. Number 4. AI automation and dropshipping. You can automate an entire dropshipping business with AI. Tools like Shopify's AI assistant and ChatGPT-powered customer service bots allow you to run a profitable online store with minimal effort. Example: many entrepreneurs are making $20,000 plus per month using AI-driven e-commerce solutions. Number 5. AI-generated digital products and art. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL can generate high-quality artwork, which you can sell on Etsy, Fiverr, or even as NFTs. People are making thousands by selling AI-generated designs for posters, books, and custom merchandise. The AI revolution is just beginning. The question is, will you take action now and build wealth, or will you watch from the sidelines while others become rich? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI money-making ideas, and comment below which AI business model you'd like to try first.